Stay on.
Don't stop.
Get in front of the goal, Ben. Evan, get open. This should be. Okay, Elliot. Everybody, get open. Spread out.
Oh.
Oh well, that happened. Turn around, Elliot. Watch the defense, Nathan. Let it. Okay. Turn around, Elliot. Run backwards.
Andrew, get in.
You're too close. Back up. Nathan, back up.
Take your time. Take your time.
Excellent. Excellent.
Evan and Benji.
Hey.
Don't stop running.
The ball's here. That's it. Andrew. Ball's here. You gotta come in.
Nathan, put it in front of the goal.
Drop, Elliot.
Okay, move back, Nathan. Good, Nathan.
Did Mark score both goals?
Definitely.
Porter.
Yeah.
Porter, bring it in, boys.
Sorry, it was Matthew and then...
Matthew and Mark.
5 and 3. They got every player. Hey, guys.
Go, move up, Benj. Not towards the ball, Benji, towards the goal.
Oh.
Hey, defense. Defense. Nathan. Luke, they got a lot of numbers up. You guys got to be... Benji, drop a little more. Keep coming. Keep going.
Good, finally Matthew pulled up.
Don't stop.
Just drop, boys. Keep going. Come back.
Drop back. Drop back.
Drop behind Andrew. Got him off, Elliot. You got it. Nice, yours. Big kick, Elliot. Benji, towards the outside.
Come on, Andrew, clear.
Nathan, back.
Hamish, pay attention.
Nathan, between the ball and the goal. Back.
See what that kid did?
He left the ball and went on our players' line. Hey. Got it. Tried to field. Our ball. Elliot, take your time. Relax.
Quickly,
Down the line, Matthew.
Gray.
Turn around. Face the ball.
Turn around. Always look at the ball.
Down the line, Matthew. Down the line. Look it
Hard.
That's a goal.
Nice, yours.
Good, Evan. Go for it.
Come back now. Come back. Drop back.
Turn around, Evan. Always walk backwards. Move away, Mark B.
Mark.
Get Benj in front of the goal.
Evan.
Get open. Benji, towards the middle. Not
Nathan, move it up.
Back up.
Nathan,
Back up.
get to the middle. Open it up. Open up the defense.
Yeah, maybe some accuracy to work on.
Yeah. What we could do is, I think what I'll do is I'll bring these poles.
Oh,
We'll
and
have
try to
them
do it as like a slalom?
Just to aim for the pole.
Right.
Yeah.
Or aim between the
Yeah.
gates, you know.
Yeah.
Then you could put it anywhere out there.
Right.
Okay, stop, Ben.
Pass it! Oh. Yeah.
Hey, same thing, boys. Turn around right there. Hey, come on.
Turn around.
Face the ball. Matthew, come on. Get there. Face the ball.
Separate. Mark B, come towards us.
Good.
Follow it.
Don't stop!
Stay on it.
Don't stop!
Evan, take that. Send it in the box. Come on, play it in the box. Great.
Benji, Matthew, get in the spot where you can score. Be open. Nice.
Don't stop!
Turn
Keep
it,
moving!
Follow it.
Follow it,
Shoot
Benji!
it.
Get it! Come on!
Shoot.
One of you!
Just shoot it.
Benji, get it!
Okay, Elliot, get ready. Back up, Elliot.
Drop Andrew in the middle. That's it, boys.
Cut him off, Gray. Keep your hands.
Fast! Good!
Yeah.
Great work!
Woo! Good
Great work!
Hey, Mitch. You were outside of the goal. Pay attention. Look where you are.
Keep your arms down, Hamish! Hamish! Arms down! You can't catch the ball if your arms are behind your back.
Good job, Evan. Pick it up, Evan.
Good touch. Get back, Elliot, back. Andrew.
This side of him.
No. Andrew.
Make sure there's a purple guy behind you. That's good. Perfect ball.
Nate, in front of the goal, Nate.
God, do I need to staple Evan's laces together? I don't know how he does it. It's like a triple tied it.
Keep going, man.
Ooh. I know, it's just like unbelievable.
On the line.
Is that totally undone?
Go. Let it go and go to get the ball.
Hey, Evan, quick. Lace